everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. As you guys can see in the background right there, we got new parts for the Camaro. Just playing with you guys, just like these boxes. Those boxes, I have no idea what's in there, but we do have new box with Camaro mods, and that box is right there. So, well, I guess, yeah, they are Camaro mods. So we got package 1 arrived. I believe after this, I got 2 other things that are coming in the mail. And yeah, I am in the works of getting the intake manifold installed, and then somewhere in the works of getting a tune and getting dyno tuned and getting dialed in and everything. But without further ado, let's unbox today's package and start with the install. All right, guys, let's open up this box. Let me know, guys, what knife do you guys like better? The little jet shark little fighter one that I have in the Camaro, or this one? But let's get this open. Got a big yellow box. All right, maybe some of you guys know that, but let's open the yellow box first. California scents. Oh, doesn't say which one. Well, they're all California cherry. That's a must-need mod. Next, we got OPT7's interior light setup. I did get the doubles as well. Should have got a Camaro, would have looked better, but I need some more lights. I had these in my first car. BMW had some integrated into them, but now we're going to get some in the Camaro. Should be fun installing these. All right, guys, so I went ahead, opened the box. So we got 3 boxes inside. So let's open up the smallest box first, see what's inside there. And we got a remote. So one thing that I did mess up on when I was ordering, I didn't realize that they had 2 versions. One version works with your smartphone, and those are the lights that I have in my sister's car, and then I have the ones with the remote. So I've had these previously in my past cars. I honestly don't mind the remote. I know at any time I could contact OPT7 and they could just send a little module. It's probably in this box or something. So yeah, so it's just this module that you have to switch out, and then you could have it with your smartphone, but I don't mind the remote. So now I guess onto this one. We have adhesive booster, we have the little fuse taps, the main module itself, the lights, and I did opt for the double. I don't know what they call it, but it's like doubled because there's 2 LED strips. Then this would be if you want to use the car charger. So I'll show you guys how to install both ways. I will be using the fuse tap though for like a permanent solution. So that's all that came in that box. Don't know why that's wet. Then for this box, we have wires. Tons and tons of cables, cable management, fuse tap, and zip ties. So let's get started. All right, so first thing first, definitely got to figure out where we're gonna put the lights. The Camaro does have, I think it's called Easy Access, where the seat moves. It moves backwards when I get in and out of the car, so it's easier to get in. That seat does not do that. So that side's gonna be a little bit easier with the wiring. On this side, I gotta make sure I don't put the wire anywhere where it can get caught. But the idea is probably to put one there, put one under the seat somewhere, under the seat and under the dash. So I'm gonna find a spot and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, so I found my first spot that I'm going to use. It is this little spot right here that you see. So I'll peel off the adhesive, I'll stick it right here, and then cable management wise, I will get to tuck it in this area right here. So I'm gonna clean this, use the adhesive booster, and then stick it on. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, so with the adhesive that was already on the tape, I got everything right here. Made sure it's nice and on there. And then next part is I put in this light. So this light's already gonna be illuminating kind of downward. And then this one is just gonna go down and out. I could already tell you guys from like past experience, this is gonna probably be way too much light. Thank God they have sensitivity control, so these will probably need to be adjusted down just because I know how bright these get. So I didn't want this one like facing that way, then this one facing that way, because it was gonna be way too bright. So this way, I'm hoping to get just a nice little underglow in the car. So now that this side's done, let's do the same on that side. And just like that, guys, got this side installed. So for this side, I kind of put it a little lower, so you really won't be able to see the bar from eye level or really anywhere unless you're this far down. And then this one back here, kind of the same way, just found some place to zip tie it, some place to zip tie it, whichever way it's facing. Really doesn't matter if I kind of put it like that, it's like that, but really don't care if it falls, just because I know already it's going to be bright enough. One thing, however, I did not think about, I didn't test out to see if all the light bars work. And that is because I haven't been working with this company, but I've been getting stuff from this company for so long, I kind of just trust them. But that is something I should do, so I'm gonna wire them up real quick, and then let's see if it works. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Well, I guess for you guys it's the same video, but for me it is 2 days after. There's one difference on the Camaro, if you guys can spot it. It is that windshield banner. So I guess I'll come around on this side. So it's the bow tie, and then it says performance. A little subtle touch. Let me know how you guys like it, dislike it. On the inside, we did lose some visibility, but it's all right, it looks cool. So, one downside. So when I'm driving, you know, this is kind of where my eyes are. The street lights are normally either right in this, or right here, or like right here. So, if I kind of slouch down while I'm driving, kind of tired, then I can't see them at all. But if I'm straight up, then I could see them. I guess I can move my seat, but hasn't annoyed me too much yet. But let's get on with the light. So let me go get the wires and everything, wire everything up, see if the lights do work in fact, and then we will go from there. Guys, so I got everything hooked up to the control module that is right here. So got all these ends right here, and then got all the ones into all the lights. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's flip that switch. Boom. There you guys have it. Most of the time I usually have it on like I think it's like color cycle or something. No, it's color fade. Is this working? No. Oh, because you got to turn it down. Yeah, so most of the time it'll probably be something like this, where it's just fading in and out, or I'll keep it red. I think red ties nice with all the interior, so that light is working. This light down there is working. That light's working. And the light down there is working. So now that all the lights are working, we are sure of that. Gosh, so annoying. Now we need to hide all this wire mess. So, oh, and we also got to do the fuse tap, because I like having this free for whatever I needed. That's the whole reason I got the radar hardwired, and plus having the button right here is a lot more convenient than reaching right here. So that's that. Some of you guys have been wanting a video on the radar, so let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see that, and I'll definitely do that. But let me unhook all this now and start the wire management, and then I'll let you know where I hide the wires and everything. And quick tip, guys, zip ties. Zip ties are included in this kit. I always have zip ties for cable management, just because on this side these wires are so long, and then on this side they have like nowhere to go. So this box right here, I am gonna end up probably placing it right here, or maybe in the back, honestly, but I don't know yet. We'll see where I hook up the box. And yeah, but cable management, guys, zip ties, just, you know, get the wires together like this, like, you know what I mean, guys. Get the wires together, zip tie them, and tuck them away, just because there's so much wire. Usually I've installed these in a 4-door, since, you know, I have like no room for like to travel. I'm gonna have to do a lot of cable management, so just keep that in mind, guys. All right, so I'll stop talking now and get to it. All right, guys, so I finished the wire management. So as you guys can see, it goes into there and then somehow comes all the way around. You guys can see the wires in the back right here tucked in, and then for right here it gets a little sloppy, but then you can't see them again. And for right now, this is a temporary setup because you're supposed to stick this somewhere, but as you can see, the plastic right here is like, there's like barely any, and I don't want it showing. And this seat moves forwards and back because of this feature. I forgot what it's called. It's like easy access, so like when I start the car, it goes forward. When I'm gonna get out, it goes back, so it's easier to get in and out. So for now, I'm gonna just leave the box here because I do need to get going someplace, and I need to think of a better way to hide the box. I was thinking to put it below the seat somewhere down there, and then just kind of zip, well, that's that. I need to fix that, but somewhere down there. So we'll see how it goes. I'll probably give you guys a little update video showing you guys how I did it, but for now I'm gonna work on the hard wires. So finding my ground, and then using one of these fuse taps and tapping into a fuse system. I don't even know if there's a fuse box anywhere here, so I guess that would be the next step, finding my fuse box and then finding what fuse fits. All right, so correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. I couldn't find a fuse box inside the car, so come back here, got a clip on this side, got a pinch and pull, got a clip right here, got a pinch and pull. Get both of those, get this out, get that wire to come here, and then we will have to find a fuse diagram somewhere and pick out a fuse and wire tap it in. All right, guys, here's what the interior now looks like. So I am running it off the cigarette lighter for right now. I do need to go to AutoZone. The kit did not come with the right fuse tap for the Camaro. At least that's what I think. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and pick up one that would fit in that fuse box, and then I'll be back. But this is what it's gonna look like. Let me know what you guys think. I think it really ties in the interior, you know, gives it a little extra spice. But I'm gonna go to AutoZone, probably catch lunch, and then I'll be back. There we have it. So I was not able to fix the the fuse box solution. Do have to go get a new part, so we are gonna stick with this for now. So we are gonna stick with the car charger method for a little bit until I could get the parts that I need. Plus it was getting dark outside, so didn't want to deal with anything. So this is what it looks like at night. I have turned the brightness down on the controls. So here are all the controls. Again, if you guys want to see all the colors, there's red, green, blue. So those are all the colors. Here's color strobe mode, so it kind of depending on whatever color you pick, just kind of goes crazy. So those are all the colors for the strobe mode. Then we have color fade, which I like, kind of nice little vibe. And then we have color cycle, so it just colors through all the cycles. And then we have beat. So this, let's see. So going off any bass, so any sound and bass, it like turns the light on and off, which is pretty cool. And so this is kind of lowered brightness. Here's the brightness all the way turned up. I think this is all the way turned up, and then you could turn it down to kind of how much you want. I'm gonna be playing around with it, kind of see what's bright enough, what's too bright. I think all the way up the brightness is just a little too much, so definitely I'll be turning it down. I'm thinking somewhere like right here is a good little mix, but I think it's super nice with that. So, you know, we could actually change that, or actually, here's a shortcut. Where's the ambient lighting? Change that to red. Boom. So now we have an all red interior. So let me know what you guys think. This is the interior, you know, windshield banner. We do have all the carbon. Obviously, you can't see it at night, but let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this mod, and let me know what I should do next, interior wise, exterior wise, and you know, let me know what you guys think of the videos, how I can improve or anything. But should have a couple more vlogs coming out. Hope you guys all have an amazing day. Till next time, peace.